How to post horizontal video on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you on how we can post horizontal video on Instagram. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to add the horizontal video on Instagram, these are the process you may follow. Open up your Instagram application. After that, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom right and just go on normally with the process on how you normally post a video. So you're just gonna select the video and tap on next. And after selecting the video, you can see the video has been selected. So what you're gonna do is simply pause the video and you may just edit the video. Like you may just adjust the video. For that, you may just edit the video. Just simply click on edit and select the video. After that, you may just zoom out the video. Like you may just crop it out or zoom it out like this. You may just place it in the middle of the screen so that each part of the video appears on the screen. With, like you can see, I have adjusted the video like it has been on the ratio that I just recorded. Like it should be on the ratio that I just recorded the video to. After that, on the upper and the below corner, you can find the black line, which means it is on the correct form. After that is done, after you are done setting the video, you're just gonna upload the video. Just tap on this arrow icon and upload it. And then you may just tap on share. And you may just tap on share and wait for the upload to be completed. And after the upload has been completed, you can see my video has been uploaded in a horizontal way that I just recorded the video to. So you may just go ahead and look out on your account and you should be finding your horizontal video on Instagram. So therefore, that's how you basically post a horizontal video on Instagram, by following this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.